Rain is expected across Bangladesh, including Dhaka, for the next 5 days, according to the Weather Office. The forecast, starting from April 17 evening, says there could be light to moderate rain with thunder and gusty winds in many parts of the country. In some places, heavy rain is also likely. During this period, temperatures may slightly drop or remain the same in most areas. From April 18, all 8 divisions Rangpur, Rajshahi, Mymensingh, Dhaka, Khulna, Borishal, Chattogram and Sylhet could see rain in some areas. On Saturday, heavy rain is more likely in Chattogram and Sylhet, while other regions may experience scattered rain. On 20 April, moderate to heavy rain is expected in Mymensingh, Chattogram and Sylhet. Light rain with wind is possible in other divisions. Similar weather may continue on Monday, but temperatures might rise a little. The forecast signed by the meteorologist Dr. Mohammad Umar Farooq warns people to stay alert due to the possibility of strong wind, thunder and heavy rain in different parts of the country. The weather may feel cooler for a few days, but temperatures are expected to rise slowly in the following days. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.